Tired of getting your video quality ruined after upload? Well, don't worry, because today we're taking your low quality video to crispy high quality.
So firstly, you'll need a PC with this thing, and a video upscaler, like AnyEnhancer, which can transform your pixelated, potato-quality videos into sharp masterpieces. You can download it from the link in the description.
After installing it, drop your file here. And here you can select an AI model as per your need. First up, we have Intelligent Enhancement. This model improves overall resolution and sharpens facial features. Next, the Resolution Enhancement model. With just a few clicks, you can upgrade your video quality to 2K or even 4K. The Face Restoration model recognizes faces and restores details like eyes, skin texture, and more, making blurry footage crystal clear. Now, this one is my favorite, the Colorize model. It takes your black and white videos and adds realistic colors to bring them to life. Speaking of colors, the Color Enhancement model boosts the brightness, contrast, and saturation of your videos. Nobody likes noisy, grainy footage, right? The Denoise model eliminates unwanted noise, leaving you with clean, high-definition videos. And finally, we have Frame Interpolation. This model increases the frame rate by 2x or 4x, creating smoother motion in your videos. Now, select an AI model as per your need. Then click Preview. This will take some time. If everything looks fine, then click Export, choose your output format and frame rate, and click Export. And we're done. You can again import the file and add frame interpolation to smoothen it.